Pizza dough rolled out here in a square, and I'm gonna come through with my little multi-pizza cutter there and make just a bunch of strips halfway through that dough. Then come over and start slicing my brisket. You can see it is juicy, it is tender. This has been cooking for about 15 hours and it is ready to be used. So let's slice a few slices off here and go straight over to our pizza dough. Now on the part that has not been cut with the pizza slice, we're gonna start there and start layering it up here. So I'm gonna start off with the brisket, then I'm gonna add some of my tangy barbecue sauce. I made this homemade. It is tangy, it has a little bit of spice, and it's gonna give us that perfect flavor combo on that brisket. Then I'm coming in with my caramelized onions. Again, these are gonna give it a sort of sweet and savory combo at the same time. Let's just layer that on top, get it nice and flat, make sure each bite has those onions. And then I'm gonna come straight in with some mozzarella cheese. You can find this in your cheese section at any of your grocery stores. They should have it. Slice that mozzarella up, and then I'm gonna just come in with some jalapenos because you guys know we like it spicy around here. Then grabbing the bottom half here of my pizza dough, gently start rolling up around your brisket slices and roll it just till you get to the center. And then grabbing those pieces that I've already cut with the pizza cutter, I'm gonna go skipping a row each time, one by one, peeling that dough up and covering this roll with those bands. The extra bands there, we're just gonna cut off. We don't need those. Save those for another recipe. You can put them in your freezer if you want. And then let's just bend this into our little donut ring. It needs to go in the freezer for just a few minutes so that you can work with it. Now we've had ours in our blast chiller for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into my flour mixture here. Try to make sure you coat all sides as best as you can, and then straight into our egg wash. Again, you wanna try to make sure you really saturate it in the egg wash so that all those breadcrumbs stick to it and adhere to those strips and give you that beautiful design that we're going for with the strips there. So just a couple tosses into the breadcrumbs. You can use panko if you want. I like breadcrumbs on this recipe. Then I'm going straight into my hot oil. It's at 375 degrees. This is gonna cook pretty quick. The brisket's already cooked. The cheese just needs to melt. So as soon as it's golden on the outside, it's ready to go. And don't worry about those little breaks there because this is gonna be a pull apart bread for your friends. Let's top it with some jalapenos. We made this homemade bacon mayo there in the center. So there you have it, guys. This would be a perfect appetizer for your next party. You don't have to go to TGI Fridays to get mozzarella sticks. We kicked it up a notch with brisket stuffed inside. It's spicy, it's cheesy, it's full of all that ooey gooiness that everybody wants. It pulls apart just like this.